Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Mitsubishi Outlander here. It's a hybrid on a 2014 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light on this. It's a 70,000 mile service which includes oil filter, brake fluid change, cabin filter and the air filter as well. So that's what we've done, and the other fluids checked like the rear diff, the gearbox, coolant level, screen wash. So all of that as well. So I'm just going to show you how to reset it. It is a quite simple procedure. If you've got something like this and you want the maintenance light reset, then I'll just show you how it's done. If you come in now, before I do anything, what I'll do, I'll start the car up, and then you'll see in the middle right there. There you can see routine maintenance required. Now to check, what you could do is this button right here. So if you press it once, press it again, press it again, press it again, press it again. Now you can see there's nothing displayed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset that for you. So if I just switch the ignition off completely, I then press this button once, press it again, press it again, press it again, and then one more time. When I get to this, I need to press and hold that same button again till the spanner light flashes. I let go of the button, press it again, right, nothing happened. So I'm going to try it again, press and hold. Maybe I just leave it, let go of the button and then press it once. So as you can see now, it's all cleared. So you've got now 4,500 miles left for the next service, and 6 months. I'm just trying to get the blurriness out of the way. That's it. Yeah, that's all it is. That's all it was on this particular model. If you've got a Mitsubishi Outlander and you want to reset the maintenance light, that's all you need to do. And if there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. This is a hybrid electric as well, so it's part electric, part hybrid. And yeah, leave us a comment. We'll help you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.